Operator ergonomics is gaining importance in the manufacturing industry. That is why, for heavy and repetitive tasks, cobots come in as a perfect solution to support operators. They continue tirelessly, and you can use them in a different way every time. A cobot is also a great solution to find or keep employees motivated for certain routine tasks. To support single operators, Flanders Make has developed a mobile cobot. An operator can control the cobot so as to help him carry a compressor housing panel, for example. Together, they can position the panel for assembly without much effort. This companion for a single operator easily handles objects without taking up a lot of space, like, for example, an overhead hoist system. Moreover, the mobility of the robot, combined with its modular programming approach, makes it applicable for various support tasks, as it is both flexible and mobile.